I'm no having children. I'm going to hae weans. You can ask what I cry them, no what are their names. I'll be getting a piece, no a wee packed lunch, I'll be haeing a scran, no having a munch, and they'll fanny about. They will nae waste time. When they screeve their wee poems, I'll make sure they rhyme. I'm no having children. I'm going to hae weans who'll be gowping and beeling when they've got aches and pains, and instead of don't worry, I'll say dinna fash, instead of stand your ground, dinna take ony snash, my weans will be crabbit, no in a bad mood, and they'll greet, no cry, when their day is nae good. I'm no having children. I'm going to hae weans with a prude ancient language crammed in their wee brains, and whenever life tells them their English is bad, I'll tell them the hassles that their mammy had, and I'll say ma ma's words to the day that I'm deed. Ach, you'll be alright, hey? You have a good Scots tongue in your head. Thank you.